Kate here with WTI, and if you have never experienced the joy of an outdoor shower, now's the time to change that thanks to this instant hot water heater from Gleyi. This makes hot water on demand anywhere possible. It takes literally 5 minutes to install. You just mount it. It comes with the hose to go directly to a propane tank. That will be your energy source. You then attach a hose, which will go to your water source. We have it connected directly to the house. And then the third spot is to attach your hose that will go to your shower head. We have a water shutoff in the shower, so that makes it really easy to turn the water on and off. As long as your propane is open and your hot water tank is on, the second that water is released, it will flow and adjust to your desired temperature. It has a really great digital display here so you can see how hot your water is getting, and then you can adjust. So there's a summer or winter setting. So as the weather changes, you can switch that out. And then it also has a knob to adjust your pressure and your temperature. We find it heats up so fast and it feels so great to be outside in the cooler air, but have that nice hot shower. It has a little window here so you can observe the flame. I feel like they've taken a lot of security measures to make sure that this functions properly, so I feel really good about using it. It's in a nice durable casing as well. We have it right outside and it's been really great, even in the elements. With a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind, it's not a big deal. Now, obviously, you don't just have to use it for an outdoor shower. You can use this in your RV, in your home, absolutely anywhere, but it's super portable. You can take it with you because all you need is a water source and propane. So if you're looking for hot water on the go and on demand, I think you will absolutely love this instant hot water heater, and that's my point of view.